This is gone from the garden. She came on back and she landed here on my lips to give on thanks, saying I'm coming to take this. She likes the corn from the garden. Yeah, yeah. She likes the corn from the garden. Yeah, yeah. So I simply will leave this outside for you. Since she likes corn from the garden. Yeah, you can take it, you can take it. Yeah, yeah. She likes corn from the garden. I wanna watch how you muscle this next one. The corn drive-through. There's no wait time. You just simply pluck and go. You just simply She likes the corn from the garden. Look, y'all even got music in the background. She likes corn from the garden. Didn't your mama ever say go ahead and share? 'Cause she likes the corn from the garden. Yeah, yeah. She likes the corn from the garden. Yeah, yeah. Corn from the garden. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She likes the corn from the... It amazes me every time. And they really do always come back for more.